Speaking of,
Hey,
is this what you're referring to? The Toyota GR86 Miata collab? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so the most
heard
recent.
a lot of rumors about this.
Yep, the most recent rumors are indicating that the next generation Toyota GR86 and Mazda Miata will share a platform. The ongoing understanding is that the Miata will continue to be a two-seat roadster, and the platform will be extended. The wheelbase will be extended to make the GR86 a 2x2, which is what it currently is now. You got 2 seats in front, 2 seats in rear.
They're fairly tiny seats in the back, but they do exist. Mm-hmm. What I don't want to see is a significantly heavier Miata because it shares a platform. Because the Miata, except for the NC, the NA, the NB, and the ND, have all been on bespoke platforms. The ND lent its platform to the Fiata, but the platform was designed to be a Miata, to be lightweight as possible. Mm-hmm. So if they have to keep something other than lightweight in mind while they're building it, i.e. being able to extend it and add back seats, I'm wondering if it's still going to be as lightweight, because I think they would probably consider it a failure if it was over 2,500 pounds.
I'm optimistic because Mazda is mostly going to be in charge of the platform.
That's good news.
And they're both going to use their own 4-cylinder engines, making roughly 200 horsepower each. 4-cylinder, 2-liter engines. Mazda will use a revised version of the current engine that they're using.
Yeah, and they were talking about replacing it with the 3-cylinder from the GR Corolla. 300 horsepower, 3-cylinder.
That'd be a rocket ship.
Absolutely.
In a car that size. That seems like way too much.
Oh, yeah. I mean, no one that has driven my car. You drove it to work the other day. Nobody that has driven my car goes, this needs more horsepower.
And the amount of power it has now, I think, is the peak of what you're going to get. Because more power means a bigger engine, or it means you need stronger bracing, or you need bigger engine mounts. Like, it's this compounding thing if you want to add a bigger engine or more power to it. Whereas the way it's designed right now, it's perfectly designed for every piece of its spec sheet.
Mm-hmm. The guys over at Flying Miata, they, with no other modifications, not even a reflash, no tuning, nothing. They just did a cap or a mid pipe and a muffler. That's it. And with the whole thing, they picked up 20.
More than 10% of the power. You'd
Right.
notice that.